in the chapter from the diary of Anne Frank. From the diary of Anne Frank, this is a very sensitive story of a 13-year-old girl named Anne Frank. This story is a real story in 10th class, and it is a very simple and going to be the world's most readable and one of the best books of that time. During the Second World War, Otto Frank and his family members were hiding in the office, and Otto Frank was the father of Anne Frank. He married to Anne Frank's mother when he was 36 years old, and Edith Hollander Frank was the name of Anne's mother. She was 25 years old at the time of her marriage. Anne Frank got the diary on her birthday by her father, Otto Frank. In her diary, she has mentioned that she had no real friend. Ahead, she has mentioned that 30 people she could say friends, but they were not very close friends. She wanted to share her feelings, whom she could have great affection. So she decided to keep a diary as her close friend. She named her diary Kitty, and Kitty is the name of her diary. She was very surprised how she could start writing, because it was an enormous, extremely different experience for her to write. She was not a great writer, but she started the diary in a very simple way. She did not want to give the large and descriptive history of her life, but she has given a very brief story of her life. She has given the thoughts of her family, friends, classmates, and teachers in the chapter from the diary of Anne Frank. She has mentioned that whenever we say something to anyone, he or she makes any reaction, but whenever we write something on paper, paper does not react. That is why she says that paper has more patience than people. In the brief sketch of her life, she says that in her school life, her classmates were very surprised. They were very bewildered about the coming of their results, and they thought that the teachers are the most unpredictable creatures on the earth. The teachers, what could they do is not known. So she thinks that the teachers are unpredictable about their doings. In her school, she was very talkative. She talked too much in her class during her lesson. Her maths teacher, Mr. Kishing, was very strict and good teacher. He did not like talking of Anne Frank during the lesson. He became very angry with Anne Frank, and he assigned her, he gave her extra homework for talking in the class during the lesson. The first assignment was to write an essay on the topic a chatterbox. She wrote in that essay that she had inherited the talking from her mother because she could not do anything about her inherited qualities. So she had inherited the quality of talking, and she had really mentioned in her essay. Mr. Kishing accepted her arguments in the right way, but in the next lesson, when she continued her talking, he assigned her for the second time an incorrigible chatterbox was the second topic for her assignment. She also completed that assignment, and Mr. Kishing allowed her to sit in the class, and for the coming two lessons, Anne Frank did not talk. But when her talking started, in the next lesson, she was assigned the third essay on the topic quack, 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 said Mrs. Chatterbox. She was very surprised on the topic of chatterbox. She had no any arguments left in her mind. Then she took the help of her classmate who was Sen. She was very good at poetry. She helped her to complete the essay in verse, and she also gave a very sensitive story about a duckling who was bitten to her ducklings because they talk too much. But Mr. Kishing took the arguments in the right way, in the positive way. He did not become angry, and he put his own arguments and read out in the another classes, and he laughed heartily on the topic and on the arguments of Anne Frank, who has completed the assignment with the help of her friend Sen. Mr. Kissing became very changed person, and he started making jokes in his class and allowed Anne Frank to talk in his class. This story presents the picture of a 13-year-old girl, and Anne Frank died at the age of 13 years, only 13 years old. But her diary was published by her father Otto Frank, and this is the very sensitive story in the sense that Anne Frank loved her grandmother very much. And when her grandmother died, she was very depressed, she was very sad because she loved her very much. This story reflects her loneliness and longing for a true friend, and she found her diary a true friend. That is why she named it as Kitty. So dear students, I have mentioned you about the brief summary of a very good story which is like the age of you, and this story can be very easily understand by reading. It is very simple words, and on the topic, on the chapter, you have to answer some of the questions. The first question is, what saying did Anne Frank think about? I have mentioned that the saying is that the paper has more patience than people. You can mention in your answer. The second question is, why did she start writing a diary? Because she had no any real friend. She wanted to share her feelings with her friends, and that is why she started writing a diary. You have to mention in your answer. The third question is, what happened in the summer of 1941? In 1941, in the summer season, her grandmother was very dear to her, became seriously ill. There was an operation, and this is the event, this is the incident you have to mention in the answer. Why are the teachers the most unpredictable creatures? The teachers are the most unpredictable creatures because what will they do is not known about the results. Sometimes the teachers are very happy, but sometimes they become very angry with the students because there are so many emotions, there are so many stresses related to the teachers. That is why Anne Frank had mentioned that the teachers are the most unpredictable creatures. Why are, and the fifth question is, what was the impact of the poem? When the third essay was completed by Anne Frank with the help of her friend, her classmate Sean, the story of the swan duckling, and the ducklings were beaten to death because they talked too much, and this story had great effect on the mind of Mr. Cushing, and he became a very changed person, and he allowed Anne Frank to talk in the class. This was the impact of the poem. So dear students, read the chapter again and again. Don't hesitate. First of all, I suggest you to read it aloud. मैं आपको आग्रह करता हूं कि आप चैप्टर को पहले जोर जोर से बोलकर पढ़ें। एक बार बोलकर पढ़ने के बाद पुनः उसको साइलेंट रीडिंग, बिना बोले हुए, केवल आपकी नज़र घूमनी चाहिए, ओठ नहीं हिलना चाहिए। एक बार पुनः पढ़िए निश्चित रूप से और मेरे वीडियो को सुनिए। आई थिंक दैट you can understand this chapter very easily. If you have any problem, then consult me and I will try to make your doubt very clear in the online classes. Thanks, and take care of your health and be positive in your study and study the video again and again. Thanks.